Alright guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass ARE V series. Fits a 15 to 20 Ford F-150, 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 with the 5.5 foot bed. Pearl white in color. It's got some minor issues, but nothing horribly bad on this one. Got a little bit of a, I guess it's just a sticker mark right there. It had a wrap on it, so got a paint scratch right there. Some of these spots may be just adhesive left over from the wrap. Top looks good. No damage on the top that I'm seeing. Maybe a small, I got a small paint scratch right there. Down through this front side looks good. Till you get down to here, you've got a small scratch chip on the paint. Bottom edge on this side looks really nice. Small chips from probably working out the side window, carrying stuff in and out of the side door. It does have the sliding window, double T-handle windoor, so it opens up. Turn the T-handle on both sides. Door opens up like this. It also has a ventilation window in here so that you can open this up and get a hold of it. There we go. Little latch here. Slide the window open for ventilation like that. Has a couple small holes in the screens. Nothing really bad. Then you can close that. Latch that window shut. Close the door back down. Lock it, and then seal the truck cap back up again. Front window is a sliding window. Does have a couple chips right here in the paint. Top edge and the top look really good. All the way down through here. It looks good through here. Small chip right there, but heck, you're never going to see any of that. And then there's a couple chips in here from honestly probably having the door open. See if I can get that to focus again. There we go. It's not very many, just 3 or 4 little small chips there. Window looks like it's been changed out. It slides open just fine like that. Opens up for ventilation. Closes back like so. Actually feels like it was changed out with a piece of Lexan or plexiglass or something tinted. But it fits really nice and looks good, so. Small chip up here on the top. That feels like that's just adhesive. Top and the top edge on this side look good. Down here, basically the same as the other side was. It has a scratch on the paint. Right there. Right there. And a couple marks right there. Honestly, knowing where I got these from, they were probably stacked on top of each other, or one was inside the other, or something. That's probably where. Probably had one laying on top of it that scratched that like that. Small paint. Yeah, oh no, that's just, that must have been a seam in the adhesive, seam in the vinyl wrap that was on it. Small chip right there. Small chip right there. Small chip right there. Small chip right there, and a couple right there. Same thing. They're working out the side door, probably dropping stuff on here a little bit. Same thing as the other side. Double T handle. Opens up, allows you to access the inside of the truck cap, put your tools inside here. But also, like I said, the same thing on the other side, has a ventilation sliding window, slides open like so. This one has a couple holes in the screens right there, and then there's a little bit bigger one right there. You put your finger through there. Here we go. Couple holes in the screens, nothing really bad. Close the window up like so, lock it. Close the window. Away you go. It's a double T-handle sliding window, windoor on this side. Single T-handle locking rear door with a door skirt. Door's a little bit tweaked right there, but seems to close fine and look good, so don't really see too much on this not fitting well. Like I said, it seems to have a decent body line in there, and third brake light there. Inside is carpeted. This one does have the tilted in front picture window as well, so let's go take a look at that. So that one has a latch up here at the top. You pull down one on each side, then you can flip this window down in. That allows you to clean the front of this window here, the back of the truck cab, I'm sorry, and then clean these two, and then you can close this window back up, latch that down like that, and then that's good to go. So it is carpeted on the inside. Serial number, specifically built for the 15 Ford F-150 Super Cab with the 78 bed, 6.5 foot bed. It's a platinum color. It is a tri-coat, so that's the white, pro white color. Close the door down. There it is. Cab high fiberglass ARE V series. Fits the 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with the 6.5 foot bed. I think at the very beginning I said 5.5 foot bed. That's actually for the 6.5 foot bed. This one is pro white in color. Fits the pro white in color. So it's an upcharge color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cab repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, deck units, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. As with all our truck cabs, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Subscribe below to keep up to date on any new inventory coming in. We upload them right away, so you'll be able to get notification as soon as they upload to the web, and be able to see anything new that's coming in. Thanks for watching.